So today on Fieldy's Backtracks, I'm doing a video going from here, from Newman, to Melbourne, then over to Tasmania on these adventure bikes, and I do this trip with my brothers. So this first episode, I'm going from Newman, towing these bikes, fresh motor in the car. So this is the first trip out of town with this new motor and with the car. It was 48 degrees when I left, and this was earlier this year. So yeah, we went the back way down to Wiluna, down Neds Creek Road, down to Kalgoorlie, across the Nully in this episode, and I get to Seduna, somewhere around there, and then other episodes after that. I don't want them to go on forever, so I think I'm trying to cut them at about, around the 15-20 minute mark for an episode, and we'll see how we go with that. So over the next few weeks, I will run these little trips, the trips with this bike. So this is a Yamaha T7 World Raid, and my brother's got the same bike. So yeah. Anyway, it was a great trip and love to share it. So I hope you enjoy. I didn't talk too much on our trips. There was a lot of bike video. So we'll just see how we go. Put some music up and do some voiceovers and things like that. See if I can make it interesting. Anyway, so yeah, see how we go with that. So I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel. We're just trying to build it. Anyway, see you soon. Right, today's the day. We're off. I've got the car loaded, car going, bike's loaded, and I'm about to go through Coomarina. Just here, looks like I'm turning onto, first thing I've done, I haven't done this one before. This is going to Wiluna.
Continue for 188 kilometres.
So, I'm going to flip this camera around so you can have a look. Alrighty. It's dirt road, 180 k's. Only 180 k's to Wiluna. Anyway. Alrighty, let the trip and the fun begin. No dust out here, no dust at all. Bit of a check on the bikes and the car. Doing well. Getting dusted. Very dusty. Look at this. And it's about 48 degrees today. Beauty, eh? Anyway, back to it. Casually cruising down this lovely dirt track. Look what I just found. Look where we are. Canning stock route. Bugger me. Cow tracks, camel tracks. There it is. Goes that way, apparently. We won't be tackling that one today. Look at this. Dust Central. Look good though. Solid. Socceroo. Back on the blacktop, gone through Wiluna. Now we're heading to Leonora. It's about 270 or so k's down this blacktop road. Well, that was quite a long day today. I made it to Kalgoorlie and ended up humming a motel. So yeah, get a good night's sleep and a shower in the morning. We'll head off and get back into it tomorrow. Rock on. Well, just hit the Nullarbor. Just gone through Norseman, and now we're on the Nullarbor. So next stop is Caledonia. So I might jump out, have a break, and film a bit of that. Maybe stop a couple of times on the way. Anyway. Not many bends. 90 miles straight. Alrighty, here we go. 90 miles straight, update. Look at this. About halfway along. 90 miles straight. You're not going to wear out your ball joints, are you? You're steering. Anyway, all good. What a great trip. What a great trip. Love it. Anyway, carry on. Nullarbor plane, baby. Go Ian Moss. Rock on. On the Nullarbor plane, 351 shaker, Widowmaker. Well, we've had some drama. I left my pillow at bloody Kalgoorlie, so that's annoyed me. But on the positive note, look at this. Madura Pass. Look at how good. Bad, eh? You. Well, morning time. Mundrabilla Roadhouse. And what a great night. Really good accommodation. Look at this beautiful thing. Good accommodation, great food. Met some great people. Our bike's going nice and solid. Look at this. Telegraph station at Eucla. Oh, we can go in and have a look, eh?
myself back. Taking back the whole building, the structure and everything, the whole area. Anyway, so cool. Bloody dickheads carving their names and everything. It's annoying, isn't it? Graffiti everywhere. This is a very special spot for me. I love this spot. This is one of my favourite spots in Australia. And I will show you why right now. I'll flip this around. Australia Bite. The Great Australian Bite. Look at these. Very windy on the edge. Not bad. A bit back here. How cool. Love it. Now I'm gonna set up my little chair and have some bickies and cheese, I think. And if the weather holds, I might even stay here tonight. Anyway. Alrighty. How good is this? This is one of the things I've been wanting to do for ages. Chair, table, little spread, bickies and cheese on the nully. How good this is living. Love it. Nullarbor Roadhouse. Morning and heading off. Probably going to try and make it to Port Augusta today. Anyway, this is the Nullarbor Roadhouse. There's the old roadhouse. Comes down to the new one. Whale over the back there. $3 a litre, $2.98, $2.99. $3 a litre for fuel, diesel. Anyway, here we go. Another day in paradise. Right, I wanted to stop here. This is Penang, and this is the windmill museum. So I'll just show you this plaque, and then what we've got is windmills everywhere. And apparently the biggest one, Comet, is the biggest one in Australia. It is quite a monster of a windmill. Anyway. Here's something you don't see every day. Bloody big cockatoo at Kimber, halfway across Australia. Here we are. Well, here we are. Halfway across Australia. Our famous sign, everyone does it. Gets a photo taken in front of this sign. Anyway, that's good. Getting there. Awesome day's travel. Check this out. People leave their stickers. They come across here. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Big grain silos. Big grain silos. Cool. Oh, open road. Gotta love it. Just cruising. Enjoying the scenery. Just cruising. Loving it. I wish you were here anyway. Alrighty. Carry on. Carry on. You gotta remember on these roads to do the wave. So here's an example.
Hey, well, I hope you've enjoyed that episode. It was great making it. It was a great trip, really good trip. Anyway, next week we're going to do so I'm about Ceduna. I go down to Port Augusta, head down through Robe, sort of down that different coast, and then come across through Victoria that way, head to Victoria, go to Melbourne, go rock climbing with my son, then load up the bikes with my brothers, and maybe I think I even do a test ride with one of my brothers as well. Anyway, and then we get on the boat and away we go, and then we'll move into other ones. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.